Is human nature greedy?
Greed, for lack of a better word, is good.
Humans are products of our environment. The world around us influences our thoughts. Since we live in a capitalist society, this means we're forced to play by its competitive and exploitative rules. But capitalist society hasn't always existed, nor will it always. Society can shape humankind to be collective and cooperative, rather than competitive and exploitative. However, this requires a revolutionary shift in the fabric of society, a shift from capitalism to socialism.